Good morning, 5th grade, as I promised. Here is the lizard. Say good morning, Remus. Come on. So, really quick, just a reminder to everybody, it is Asynchronous Wednesday, which means that you guys are going to have work that is done completely on your own. You are not going to have teachers in classes today. So, without further ado, I'm going to walk you through what you're going to be doing today. So, first off, right now you are probably in either 400 or 113 in your social studies class. If I click into the class, the video that you're watching right now is going to be the very first thing on the stream. If I click into the Classwork section, at the top of the screen is Asynchronous Wednesday. That is what we're going to start off with, and that is what you're going to be responsible for doing today. So, first thing, as always, you guys are going to be doing CNN 10. So, when you go into there, you can click into the document, and you're going to click into the website. So it looks like you're going to be hearing about the debates today. Oh my. Make sure, like always, that you are posting a fact for each of the different stories that are told. So, not just one for the Supreme Court Justice and nothing else. You need to have one for each of the different ones, like I have listed here for Monday. The second thing I'm going to ask you to do is finish up the Age of Exploration KWL. I can see some people have already finished it, but if you have not, it is time to finish this up. So the K and the W are already filled out. We fill those out in class. The L is what you learned when we were talking about the Age of Exploration. So what did you learn about explorers? When you're finished, press the Turn In button and you will be good. And finally, if you have some extra time, you can work on Shepards Software. Today, you're going to make a new slide in the screenshot slides, and you're going to post a screenshot of your new score. Now, what I'm going to recommend for all students is double checking all of your work. Double check to make sure things are done. For my class specifically, if I've already graded an assignment and you didn't have it done, or you didn't have it turned in, or your answers were incorrect, like completely incorrect, then I give you a 0. And that'll be reflected in the grades section. Now, really quickly, I'm going to go into one of my other classes. So this is a test class, basically. But I don't have one open. Okay, so I'm going to show you what student view grades look like. Okay, so here we go. I want you to check your overall grade for classes. This is enabled for you guys to see. When you turn it on, you should see a little thing that looks like a clipboard with a person inside of it. That clipboard with a person inside of it is how you check your grades for your classes. Up at the top corner, it's going to show you the overall grade for your class right now. And as you scroll down, you'll be able to see a list of your classwork. The other way to get to it is if you go into the Classwork section, in the upper left-hand corner, there should be a spot that says View Your Work. That can also bring you to the same exact thing. Make sure that you go and check that. If you have something that is not turned in, you need to make sure that you get that turned in so that I can give you credit for it. I don't want you guys to fail just because you're not turning things in. But I will have to if I can't prove that you're learning anything. I hope that you guys have a really nice day. And if you need any help, please come on to Zoom and I will be here to help you.